Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to write an ebook using ChatGPT. Let's start by taking a look at the prompts. As you can see, there are a variety of topics you can choose from. It's important to be specific so that your ebook is targeted to your audience. For example, if you're writing about fitness, don't just use the word fitness as your topic. Instead, focus on a specific aspect, like getting a better bench press. Once you have your topic, you can start creating an outline for your ebook. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that your ebook flows smoothly. For our example, we're going to write an ebook about Excel tips and tricks, boost your productivity and efficiency. As you can see, our outline. This will give you a good structure to follow as you write your ebook. The next step is to write an introduction that captures your reader's attention and sets the tone for your ebook. You'll want to include an overview of your topic, its importance, and realistic goals for your readers. Here's an example of an introduction we came up with using ChatGPT. As you can see, it's clear and concise, and sets the tone for the rest of the ebook. Once you have your introduction, it's time to start writing the body of your ebook. This will involve breaking down each section of your outline into individual paragraphs. Using ChatGPT prompts, you can generate ideas for each paragraph and then expand on them in your own words. This will give you a great starting point for each section of your ebook. Finally, you'll want to wrap up your ebook with a conclusion that summarizes your main points and leaves your readers with a call to action. Here's an example of a conclusion we came up with using ChatGPT. It's short and to the point, but it effectively summarizes the key takeaways from the ebook. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use ChatGPT to create a high-quality ebook that's tailored to your audience and meets their needs. Thanks for watching.